Hello everyone, today we will be doing let us try 6.2. This is the last exercise that will be covering in half yearly exam. So the first thing that I've already given you, I have told you to watch AM and PM video. There is some videos that will tell you that when we have to use AM and when we have to use PM. So let me remind you this thing, that when you are talking about, for example, that if there are I have already told you this thing, that your clock this in your clock the hour hand moves twice. Okay, it takes it makes two rounds. Okay, so for one is 12 noon to 12 midnight, and then 12 midnight to 12 noon. So आपका आर हैंड जो है दो बार आपकी घड़ी में घूमता है, मीन्स जो आपके आर हैंड है, जो आर्स वाली हैंड है, वो 2 टाइम्स पूरे का पूरे क्लॉक में राउंड लगाएगा. सो जब आप 12 मिडनाइट से 12 नून तक जाओगे, सो देन यू विल यूज़ ए एम. आप ए एम यूज़ करोगे. एंड देन 12 नून टू मीन्स आफ्टरनून से लेके 12 मिडनाइट तक you will use PM. You will use PM. Okay, प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. 12 मिडनाइट से लेके 12 नून. सो वन जो रात से लेके दोपहर तक का जो टाइम होता है, रात से लेके दोपहर तक, उसमें हम AM वर्ड यूज़ करते हो, और टाइम के बाद में AM यूज़ करते हो, A.M. ओके. एंड व्हेन यू आर हैविंग दिस 12 नून, दोपहर से लेके रात के 12 बजे तक, तो आप PM यूज़ करते हो. ओके, प्लीज़ ये याद रखना आपको. So the I wake up at, so suppose you are waking up at 7 o'clock, so 7 a.m. because it will be in morning, so a.m. Okay, I have breakfast at 9 sorry, I have breakfast at 9 a.m. Now in breakfast you usually have in morning, so that's why you can write any time, but the thing is a.m. you have to keep in mind. Okay, the breakfast usually happen in a.m. Okay, I'll leave for school at, suppose you are leaving for, आप घर से स्कूल के लिए कितने बजे निकलते हो, तो I have written 6:45. आप कोई भी टाइम लिख सकते हो, बट द टाइम शुड हैव a.m. आफ्टरवर्ड्स, बिकॉज मॉर्निंग में आप स्कूल के लिए निकलते हो. आई के कम बैक फ्रॉम स्कूल एट, अब आप आफ्टरनून में वापस आओगे, दोपहर में वापस आओगे. सो आई हैव रिटन 2:15 PM. यू कैन राइट एनी टाइम जब भी आप जो है घर से वापस आते हो. सो दैट विल बी PM. Now Taranjeet begin here. As you can see this clock, this hour hand is at 8 and the minute hand is at 5. So the time is 8:25. 8:25, you can say 25 minutes past 8. Okay, then here as you can see the hour hand is between 8 and 9 and the minute hand is at 8. So the time is here 8:40. ओके, हेयर 8:25, हेयर 8:40, एंड हेयर यू कैन से, आपको मैंने कल भी समझाया था दैट जब आपका 6 के बाद में जो भी नंबर्स आते हैं 7, 8, 9, 10, तो आप 2 वर्ड यूज़ करते हो. सो कितने मिनट्स है, और आपका बड़े डिजिट लेना होता है. सो हेयर 8 एंड 9 से आप यू विल टेक 9 मिनट्स टू 20 मिनट्स टू 9. आपके 20 मिनट्स रहते हैं, 5, 10, 15, 20 मिनट्स रहते हैं 9 o'clock होने के लिए. Okay, so now when does he start his dinner? As you know that AM and PM you have to write. Okay, so you have to tell the dinner will be at, now night के अंदर होगा तो obviously PM आंसर आएगा. Okay, now when he start eating his dinner, the minute hand is at, minute hand जब eating करना, Taranjit begin his dinner at, so as you can see here the minute hand is at 5. So again you will write 5. Okay, now when he finishes eating his dinner, the minute hand is at 8. The minute hand is at 8. The minute hand is at 8, so I have written 8. Now he is asking how long does it take to eat dinner. As you know that here it was 8:25 and here it was 8:40. So 8:40 में से 40 में से आप 25 minutes माइनस करोगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा. द आंसर विल बी 15 minutes. The answer will be 15 minutes. You will write like this. Now at what time does he finish dinner? When he is finishing his dinner, so he is finishing dinner at 8:40. How you will write in words, I've already told you how to write that in words. What you will do is you will write the minutes firstly, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes to 9 बजने में अभी 20 minutes रहते हैं, so 20 minutes to 9. Okay, now here the question is, first question, Taranjeet has lunch at 1:45. Okay, 1:45. सो हेयर अभी 1 नहीं हुआ, 2 वर्ड यूएस, क्वार्टर पास्ट 1 नहीं है, क्वार्टर टू 1 है, एट टिक टिक ऑप्शन दैट इज करेक्ट। सो लंच हो रहा है, तो लंच एएम में तो होगा नहीं, मॉर्निंग 12 नून से पहले नहीं होगा, लंच बाद में होगा। सो हेयर 1:15 AM एंड 12:45 विल बी रॉन्ग। ओके, ये मिडनाइट का टाइम है एंड दिस वन ऑल्सो आपका मिडनाइट का ही टाइम है। सो ऑब्वियसली रात को आप लंच नहीं करोगे। पीएम के अंदर 1:15, क्वार्टर टू 1 बोला उसने, क्वार्टर पास्ट 1 नहीं बोला, तो क्वार्टर टू 1 क्या होता है, 12:45। सो आई विल राइट 12:45 PM, यू विल पुट द टिक। Now the next question is how many rounds on the clock does the hour hand complete in a day? I have already told you hour hand कितने rounds लगाती है, 2 rounds लगाती है, तो you will mark 2. Okay, write each of the given dates in DD, MM, YYY format. One is done for you. So now DD, MM, YY format आपको यूज़ करना है। 13 मार्च, ओके, 31 आपका 31 डेट आ जाएगी, स्लैश मार्च कौन सा मंथ होता है, जनवरी, फेबररी, मार्च। सो यू विल राइट 03, नॉट 3 ओनली। अगर आप खाली 3 लिखोगे तो इट विल बी रॉन्ग, यू विल राइट 03 एंड द होल ईयर स्लैश डैश 2013 slash you will write down full. Okay, if 2-digit number date is not given, you will put the 0 in front of that number. Here 15 August 1947, the answer will be 15 and August month is 8, so you will write 08, not only 8, like and then dash 1947. This is very compulsory. If you put colon, that will be wrong. 26 January 1950, as you can see 26 will be 2-digit number, so 26 we will write DD. Okay, DD means date, month, year. So here 26 January will be 01, not only 1, and 1950 dash 1950. 1 January 2001 will be 1 January 2001 will be 0101, and then 01 2001. Okay, 01 2001. How you will do this thing? So here you, as January date is also 1, so you will write 01, not only 1, and January also 01 you will write, not only 1. Single 1 लिखोगे तो गलत हो जाएगा, dash then 2001. So dash very important, slash dash is very important here. 13 October 1988, so again 13 October is 10th month, so 10th you will write dash, लिखना है बीच में dash, then 1988. Now write your and your family member date of birth in DDMMY format. आपको लिखना है, do it in rough notebook you have to do, तो do it in rough notebook, so you can do it in the rough notebook. Last question of your this exercise is use the calendar of the present year to find these dates. Okay, let me open you the calendar for you. First the first Saturday of January, let me show you. So here, as you can see, first he said that first Saturday of January. So this is the column of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so now first Saturday, right? First Saturday of first Saturday of January will be, 4 here. Okay, 4. So the answer will be 4. I have written 5 here. I have to check this thing. So as you can see here, the Saturday is at 4. So you will write 4 January. So you will write 4 January like this. I have written by 5. You can write 4 here. 4 January 2020. Okay, then you are having the last day of February. So what is the last day of February? As you can see, the last date is 29 and the 29 is coming on Saturday. So you will write Saturday and 29 February 2020. Okay, now the second Saturday of April. So this is the column of Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. So here the second Saturday of April. So firstly you will go to April month and second Saturday column, first, second. So the answer will be 11 April 2020. So you will write 11 April 2020. Now the next question is the fourth Saturday of August. So we have to go to August now. Okay, here you can see August and he's saying fourth Saturday of August he wants. So firstly you will go to Saturday, 1 2 3 4. So what is coming here? 22 August 2020. So you have written 22 August 2020. Okay, then the first Wednesday of September, as you can see here, first Wednesday of September. So Wednesday is coming here, and first Wednesday is on 2 September 2020. 2 September 2020. Now the third Thursday of December, the third Thursday of December. So you will go to December now, and third Thursday. So 1 2 3 17 December. So 17 December 2020 will be the date. I hope that you have understood this exercise 6.2, and you will be able to do it. Bye bye students.